Alrighty, happy Sunday. I am going over the trade I took on Friday. Cut around 40 points. Traded one contract that was around $900. So yeah, let's just get into this. Going into the daily candle, having my bigger time frame drawn liquidity. Wednesday, we actually had a pretty big wick. That's what really got my bias into really going down towards the end of the week, going bearish. We respected equilibrium of this wick on Thursday, and so Friday's candle I wanted to see a big move to the downside. I wanted to target equilibrium of the range for Tuesday's candle. That's what my draw was really. And so zooming in, going into 30 minutes, we created a bearish SMT with ES. This is what really, after ES took these highs and Q was falling short, this is how I knew we had a favored bias going to the downside. And we created our change in the state of delivery right here. Series of up close candles. And then we had a move to the downside, creating relative equal lows. We haven't even took some internal low. So I wanted to potentially see a swoop back to the upside, then for me to take my trade, targeting these draws on liquidity. So zooming in more onto the 1 minute, we had, what time was it here? 9. Was watching. 9:21. Thought we're gonna have a move up. A couple minutes because we had a couple of huge candles. So this, thought we were gonna potentially take this high pre-market, and then we were gonna get our move to the downside. So I was preparing myself to enter. We did not. We ended up going up, wicking by a couple of points, creating another candle, potentially going back up, taking this high. Did not. Then market open, sold off about 40 points, taking this internal sell side, creating our first presented fair value gap right here. And I think we had a retest to it. Yeah, retest back into it. This could be an entry for someone. I don't personally trade first presented. I know some people do. Doesn't give me enough conviction. I want some confidence. I want my edge to be shown. So I think we entered back into it, giving another entry. Didn't even sweep this like on the lower time from here. Sweep this high, soup, have a model to the downside. Didn't even sweep it. Couldn't get that entry. Ended up selling off completely. Created another fair value gap. Taking out this external low, touching back into equilibrium of Tuesday's candle. Created a manipulation leg right here. Formed our change in the state of delivery on the 30-second actually. Right up here because we have a series of candles after taking opposing liquidity. On the 1 minute, I think this next candle we formed a 1 minute for value gap, which I would have taken my trade once retesting back into it, but we did have 10 a.m. news, so I was waiting for that. We had it in about 4 minutes. So boom, right here, we create equal lows, which ES, we created an SMT actually here, because ES took these lows. So had that after seeing this candle pull back up. This next candle I took my entry, put in about one contract position there, stop loss at this fair value gap low on the 1 minute, targeting this 1 minute candle for this low hanging fruit. It was in for about 5 minutes in. Targeted this low hanging fruit, didn't want to see anything else. Honestly didn't have enough conviction for price to even go this high, which I don't even think we did. Let's see. We just sell off, I think. Yeah, I just wanted to target this low-hanging fruit because I did expect us to see a move lower. Yeah, so caught around 40 points. 40 points. Around $900 entered with one contract. And yeah, that was Friday. And I guess that's all. Peace, peace, peace.